welcome back to my channel. So today, do you know what we're gonna make? We are gonna make my mother's favorite vanilla cupcake. So mostly in all of my baking videos, the ingredients are almost same. So quickly, let's check out all the ingredients we need. We need maida, we need cornstarch or corn flour, milk, icing sugar, baking powder and baking soda, vanilla essence, cupcake liners, measuring spoon, butter and vinegar. The ingredients are almost same but the steps are different. First step is we are going to curdle the milk with vinegar. Let me add the vinegar. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of vinegar into the milk. So now we will mix it. Curdling, it is sticking to the spoon, see? So now we'll keep it aside for 5 minutes. And the basic step that is in almost all the baking videos is to mix the butter and the sugar. So now we will mix it with a stirrer. And yes, I have already kept my oven for preheating. Mix, 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 mix. I'm gonna add the vanilla essence. Now let's again stir it. Oh, the smell of it is coming so nice. Time to add the curdled milk mixture. Oh. Stir it, stir it. That ingredients are mixed. We'll keep it aside and take our dry ingredients. So this is my maida and I'm gonna add corn flour to it. And now we are going to add baking powder and baking soda. So first I'll add it. Ingredient is baking soda powder. So and keep it aside. Mix, 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 mix. So now it's time to add it to the wet ingredients. And now we'll mix it. So I have also kept my cupcake liners ready in the baking tray. So now I got it. So now let me fill my butter into the cupcake liners. So I have this spoon here. Now we will put 1 spoon. Only half, not till the top, because after baking it will rise up. Now let's bake it in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Ready! The smell is coming so nice and it's looking so beautiful. I want to try it, but it's hot, so I'll wait around 2 to 3 minutes. See, it's so soft and fluffy like the ones that we get in the market. I think so it's cooled down, so let me take one and see. Yes, it's cooled down. So I'll remove it. It's the same as the ones we get in the market. Above at the top it is dark brown and inside it's cream color. So let me taste it. It's so tasty. The top is so crunchy and the inside is just soft. I loved it. So go and try it out. So bye bye. Don't forget to like, share with your friends and family, and subscribe. If you don't like plain vanilla ones, you can also add chocolate ice cream, chocolate syrup, or Nutella at the top and eat it. Bye bye.